Hi everyone, we are students of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara. We have made a project Gitmoney which utilizes Harmony, Chainlink and Harmony Bridge to build a decentralized platform to reward open source contributors. Every year there are events like Hacktoberfest and also some platforms to reward open source contributors for bounties, but they are not truly decentralized. These platforms have to deploy bots to track the commits made and then they perform the transaction. Gitmoney removes the need of having these platforms and utilizes Chainlink Oracle to solve it. An org will have to register on the platform and set the amount of HRC20 tokens which in our case are named Doke tokens, which it wants to reward. Now, a contributor will commit on the organization's GitHub repo and he will have to prefix his public key to the commit message. Then the contributor will call the smart contract and provide info of his repo and commit hash. Now Chainlink Oracle will make an external API called to GitHub API and fetch the wallet address on the commit message and check if the smart contract caller's address matches with that. If yes, then the contributor will be rewarded with the decided HRC tokens by the organization.
Let us see our demo for app. Now let us register our organization. Now I will enter my organization name on GitHub, enter my repo name, and enter my private key for so that the tokens can be deducted. Now I will set the number of tokens that are to be rewarded per contribution, and I will also set the number of people that can claim these Doke tokens. I will register it. After some time, as I can see, the organization has been registered. Now, let us say I am a contributor. I will enter the organization name that I want to, that I have contributed with. I have contributed to Bakaotaku, to its repository paired. I will fetch the commit hash of my commit that has been there. I will copy it, enter the commit hash, enter my private key so that now the HRC20 tokens will be rewarded to me after some time. Let us track here on Harmony Explorer. Yeah, as we can see that the transaction has been successful. That's it from our side, and hence we were successfully able to connect Harmony Bridge, Chainlink, and Harmony to create a decentralized platform to reward open source contributors. Thank you.